Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. This is Sejpreet Kaur and you're watching Legal Bites. In today's video, we'll be learning about the legal maxim Ignorantia Juris non Excusat. In this video, I'll be covering the meaning and origin, the explanation, application, illustrations and some important case laws to understand the maxim better. So let's get right into the video. Starting with the meaning and origin of the maxim, Ignorantia Juris non Excusat. So it is a legal term of Latin origin. It literally means ignorance of law cannot be an excuse. In law, it is a rule that ignorance of fact can be treated as an excuse for once. However, ignorance of law cannot be an excuse. So let's dive right into the explanation. So as we understood the meaning of the maxim, it means that ignorance of law cannot be an excuse. So it is presumed by the law that a person is aware of the laws of the nation he is residing in. Or if he is in some other nation for the time being, he must be aware of the laws of that particular nation. Now let us understand why this rule or the maxim even came into existence. Now, if a person commits a crime and moves to the court of law and says that, oh, I did not know that this activity was illegal in this nation and he wasn't aware of the law. So, will the court excuse him? The answer is no, because a person can even be lying about the same. In this case, a court has to go through the mental state of that particular person, which becomes very demanding on the part of the court, and hence this maxim that ignorance of law cannot be treated as an excuse in any particular case. Moving on to the illustration on this maxim. The first illustration is that there is A and there is B. Now A owns a rifle without a license and B is a policeman. And B arrested A because he did not have a license. Now A goes on to plead ignorance of law. So in this case, can A plead ignorance of law? The answer is no. A cannot plead ignorance of law since according to law, he is presumed to know the law of the nation he is residing in. Moving on to the second example, which is a very simple one in order to understand the concept better. In this case, A murders B and then A goes on to plead ignorance of law. So again, in this case, A cannot plead ignorance of law. So next up is the case of Grant versus Bog. In this case, the person was charged with the Immigration Act of 1971 for exceeding the vacation period. And again, in this case, the person went ahead and pleaded ignorance of law. So again, will he be held guilty or will he be not held guilty? Answer is he will be held guilty since a person is presumed to know the law of the nation he is residing in or he is in for the time being in force. So that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Additionally, there is an article on the same maxim, the link to which can be found in the description box below. Thank you.